Nile monitor lizard. The monitor lizards found around the Nile River may not be as big as their crocodile relatives, but they are still some of the largest lizards in Africa, able to grow up to almost 80 inches long. They use their powerful tails to swim like pros, but can also whip them with strength and accuracy when self-defense is needed. Nile monitors are known as vicious predators and are not discriminating about their prey, killing and consuming fish, frogs, birds, and small mammals. They have also been observed using teamwork to distract female crocodiles from their nest while another lizard steals her eggs. African tigerfish. Related to piranhas, African tigerfish are another aquatic creature with a carnivorous reputation. Their powerful jaws and protruding sharp teeth are used to kill and consume other fish, making them one of the most vicious predators in the Nile. They aren't picky eaters either, as tigerfish have been known to dine on whatever they are able to find in the water, including creatures bigger than themselves and sometimes their own kind. Although tigerfish can grow quite large at almost 41 inches long and weigh as much as 62 pounds, they are about as dangerous to humans as piranhas, meaning not nearly as much as in the movies. Mosquito. The West Nile virus was discovered in 1937 when a woman west of the Nile in Uganda was affected. It has since spread all over the world, thanks to birds transporting it and mosquitoes passing it on. Malaria is another disease which can be partially blamed on mosquitoes, and even though there is a cure, the World Health Organization reports it still causes somewhere around 1 million deaths each year. Since mosquitoes incubate their larvae in water, the Nile River is most likely home to many of these bloodsuckers. Since 90% of all the malaria cases in the world appear in Africa, perhaps it's mosquitoes which are the most deadly thing around the Nile. More 8 of 10 terrifying creatures from Louisiana you never want to encounter. 67 of 77, the scariest animals in the world. 4 of 15 animals with the shortest life expectancy. African rock python. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Egyptian cobra. Nile crocodile. Nile crocodile. Black mamba. Black mamba.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.